The next logical step is to modify the DHCP configuration on the router using RESTconf. Let's dive in. Let's add a new DHCP pool for an additional subnet using the addpools.py script. Much like our netconf script, we will be using a YAML state file to contain our desired configuration, so we need to import YAML. This initial code is identical to the previous example, so I'll skip past it. Our first meaningful action is to load the YAML state data from the configstate.yaml file. Let's explore this file quickly. The addPools key contains a list of dictionaries that follow the native Yang model for DHCP pools we explored a few clips ago. I'm also showing the Cisco CLI syntax at the top as it might help you connect the dots. GlobalMantic's VLAN 10 was already configured, and now we are adding VLAN 20 with a different IP subnet. The DNS servers and domain name remain the same. Once loaded, I add that list of DHCP servers into a dictionary with the proper key, identifying the Yang model and feature to be modified. The HTTP headers must specify that our post request will carry Yang model data encoded as JSON and that we want to accept similar data in response. Next, we issue the post request to the correct URL. We don't add the word pool to it as we specified it in the body, which carries the config updates. The HTTP status code will be 201 when the operation succeeds with no body. HTTP 201 means created, so if a new pool was added, we can print the location of this new resource. This simplifies deletion in the future, which means one less HTTP GET request required to discover the resource URL. Last, we need to save our configuration, and there is a specific operations URL for this. We issue another post request and print out a confirmation message if it succeeded. Naturally, you can add more error checking here, but I didn't want to clutter things. Let's run this code to add our DHCP pool for VLAN 20. Okay, our new pool was added and the URL ends with the DHCP pool ID. Because this was a key from the Yang model, it must be unique. We also saw that the save operation was successful. Let's run the script a second time. This time, we get no output because the resource already exists, although we could have added some error messages. Consider that a homework assignment and let me know how it goes. How can we verify this DHCP pool was added? This looks correct. We have a second DHCP pool for VLAN 20, which was successfully added via RESTconf. Remember that you can use Postman or curl to interact with RESTconf-capable routers as well if you'd like to explore interactively. If you're not sure when to use netconf versus RESTconf, stick around because I'll explain that in the next clip.